Rachel here. So I've had a really fun morning coaching some of my girls, doing podcast interviews, and I was just doing a little bonus training for my girls in Activate, and they gave me such a fun idea. So we're going to try something new, and maybe if this goes well, this might become like a weekly occurrence. I don't know. So what I am challenging you to do in opening this up to anyone who wants to in the group is to go live in here. And what I want you to do is 3 minutes or less, add freaking massive value, like teach us something, do something that's going to really help us and serve us. And then you could do whatever kind of pitch that you want. So maybe you're accepting new private clients. Maybe you have a freebie that's going to help you build your email list. I want this to be the time where you can do that. So feel free to go live in here, short, sweet, tell us who you are, what you do, who you serve, and then add massive value, and then feel free to do a little pitch. So have fun, go for it, and this could be fun. Mindy gave me the idea, you guys. Mindy's awesome. So if you need help with weight loss, energy, freaking being present and focused in your business and in your life, go check out Mindy. I think she's taking on a few new clients right now, and she can really help you do that. She's freaking awesome. So okay, I'm gonna jump off. Let's see what happens and let's have some fun.